Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. I'm so excited because we have another palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is their new black cherry palette. At the time I'm filming this video, this palette has gone live already. This is what she looks like, a beautiful berry cherry toned palette. I love that we're getting that pop of green. You are getting 12 mattes and 6 duo multi-chromes in here. This is a really pretty palette, especially if these are the shades that you gravitate towards, more berry tones. This might be something that you're gonna want to check out. Now, I think this palette is up for $55. And again, at the time I'm filming, it is already gone live. I do have an affiliate code, Steff. That will save you 10% off of your order. You can pop these shades out. They are a magnetic base. And I really like the Simply Posh Cosmetics formula. This is the second palette that they drop in the last few weeks. So I'm really excited. I just reviewed their Down to Earth palette, which is a more warm tone palette with blues and greens and yellows in there. So there is a giveaway on that video. If you want to go check it out, you can fill out the form to be entered for my giveaway because that giveaway is going to close in the next couple days. But this one is the palette of the moment. I'll be creating 2 looks with it. Hopefully I can give you guys some inspiration, and definitely let me know in the comments if you plan to pick up Miss Black Cherry over here. Let's get started with look number 1. All right, let's start creating our first look with this black cherry palette. I'm going to be wearing red today, so I think I want to stick to maybe these 2 shades over here. I was looking for something a little bit more brownish. And then I think I'm probably going to do this shimmer. I don't want it to clash too much, but I'm going to go in first with blush, this shade, and then I'm going to go down to wine and then probably use black cherry. I've already primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyeshadow primer. Now I'm using a Refer 14 for the shade blush. I'm just going to focus this above the crease in the transition area. I think that has a little brown, a little neutralness to it. And I think it'll look nice. And I'm wearing a red top right now, so I can kind of compare. Same brush. Now I'm going in with the shade Wine. I'm going to focus that in the crease and kind of out here at the outer corner. Shades are blending really well with one another. Okay, I think we have a really nice blend. I'm going to switch over to my Refer 13. I'm going to pick up a little bit of black cherry, which does look like it's a true black. I'm just going to focus that right out here. Oh yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to add some Moira glitter glue to the lid. The shade I'm going to go in with is Very Cherry. This has like a gold, green, pink flip to it. It looks very interesting. I think I might need to apply this with my finger. I don't feel like it's picking up enough on the brush. There we go. Now it's probably better that I just pick it up little by little so I don't get fallout, but that looks really, really pretty. Just gonna touch up the shade Black Cherry out here. All right, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this one called Cherry Red. I'm taking the shade on a Refer 26. Now for the inner corner, I think I am going to try this shade right here called Cherry on Top. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Okay guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I really love the shifts in the shimmer shadow. I'm wearing 2 different ones, one in the inner corner, one in the lid. 3 different matte shades, no, 4 different matte shades. Oh wow, I got to use some good shades in this palette. The lashes that I'm wearing are the House of Lashes Iconic Light What's Up Beauty Mascara, Essence, kind of like a flesh color eyeliner in the lower waterline, and a L'Oreal black eyeliner on the top lash line. My lipstick is one of these from Maybelline. It's their teddy bear tint, and it's the number 15. This look has got to get me at least 14 hours today. I have so many things going on during work, after work. It's just a busy time of the year, but I love the way this turned out, and I'm ready to start creating look number 2. Okay, guys, so let's start working on the second look. I realize I haven't done my eyebrows yet, but I'm going to try doing them after I do the look. I am wearing neutral today, jeans with like this light color t-shirt, so anything is going to go. I'm really excited about the green, of course, but let me see. I think I'm going to start up here with fleshy. And then I'm going to work down probably towards burst, and maybe even, let's see, I used these over here, I think yesterday. Yeah, let's start with fleshy and then we'll see where it goes. I'm applying the shade with a Rephr 15 Max. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Burst. I'm using a Rephr 04. This is a new brush, pointed blender, fairly new. It's really nice because it gets right in the crease, and you can really get that placement on the outer corner and kind of just flick it outwards, do that V shape. All right, for the next shade, I am gonna go in, gosh, I think I'm gonna go in with Cherry Bomb. I don't think I used Cherry Bomb yesterday, and I'm just gonna keep using the same brush because I really like the point on it. And obviously that's going to be our shade to deepen up this look a little bit. There we go. Love it. Love it. And my look that I did yesterday lasted me 13, 14 hours. Oh my goodness. It was a long day, but that makeup looked great. I inserted the picture. You guys already saw it, but yeah, we had an event at work and it was really, really fun. Glad I got to show off this new palette. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna do this gray. This one looks interesting. I actually like that they did that color with this palette. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of Moira glitter primer to the lid. Now I am gonna go into, I really want to use the green. I really want to use this shade. This looks so fun. Yes, it is. Yay! I'm going to leave a little space free in the inner corner so I can do another shade. Now I think I'm going to go into this pink right here. Definitely getting a lot of fallout. I think I should have sprayed the brush. Now I'm just going to bring that pink shade down. I added a little bit of the glitter primer, and that is definitely helping. I guess I didn't have enough in that area where I was applying it just now. But okay, let me add the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I have no idea which lipstick I am wearing today. Probably the same one I wore yesterday. It's from Maybelline, but this is a look. I really love the way it turned out. I put on the same stuff that I had yesterday, same eyeliner, with the exception of the lower waterline. This one is from NYX. It's an old one, but fun pink one. Lashes are House of Lashes Iconic Light. I love it. I love this look. I'm going to do a wear test today. And I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on this Black Cherry palette. The day that I'm filming this is the day that it's launching, so definitely be on the lookout. I don't know when my video is going up, if it's going up later in the day or the day after, but you guys will see it very soon after the launch. But I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the day. We'll see how this look does for my 10-hour wear day. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is about the 9.5 hour mark with this new palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. I really like it. I love the way this look turned out. I love the green with the pink, the maroon. You're primarily going to get berry tones out of this palette, but I feel like the multi-chromes and duochromes that are in here are an improved formula. I'm not sure about that, but to me, as a lover, fan, and user of Simply Posh Cosmetics over the years, I feel like this formula is a step up from past. Now, I may or may not be right on that, but to me, it just feels like it is, and they're performing really, really well. I feel like they've done a lot of like more transparent shimmers in the past, and these have a little bit more pigmentation to them, and they're a little more opaque. But I think this is a very pretty palette, and if you love your berry tones, then this is going to be a palette for you. At the time that I'm filming this portion of the video, the palette has already gone live. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your purchase at Simply Posh Cosmetics. I still have an active giveaway going on over their Down to Earth palette. So if you watch that video and you're interested in that palette, you can enter the giveaway. But I think this new one is very, very nice. 2 thumbs up. Great job, Simply Posh Cosmetics. And thank you so much to Kayla, the owner, for sending me this in PR. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.